Hi, I'm Jess, the founder of CookSmarts, an award-winning meal plan service, and I'll be your tour guide today. Every week, our members get a new menu on Thursday, and they can scroll through and decide what they want to make for the week. All of our dishes come with a gluten-free, a paleo, and a vegetarian option, and you can even change the serving sizes as well. And just because we offer 4 meals doesn't mean you have to make all 4 meals. Many of our members choose just to make 2 meals that they're really excited about, and then head into our extensive archives to add one or two of their favorites. This week, I'm going to add our lasagna soup, which is one of my family's favorites. Once you're done customizing, you can head to the grocery list and see that everything is already organized into store sections for you. And if there's anything additional you need, you can just go ahead and add it in as well. For those of you who really like to get ahead, we have a weekend prep section showing you all the things you can do to get ahead, but that's totally optional. And then when you're ready to cook, just head back into the menu and click on the meal. And then when you're in the steps, if you see anything with the video icon, you can click on it and a short chopping lesson is going to pop up so that you're improving your skills while cooking dinner too. For those of you who track your macros, we have a smart nutrition label which does not exist on any other recipe site. You can click on the macros and understand how all the different ingredients contribute to the totals so you have control over your eating decisions. We have been around since 2013, so we have a very extensive archives, and everything's got a gluten-free, a paleo, and a vegetarian option. Our service will make your life easier while also ensuring you'll never have a boring meal or wasted groceries. We know you need this, so take advantage of our 2-week free trial and see how much we can improve your life. Cancel anytime within 2 weeks, and you will not be charged. We can't wait to change your life with a consistent meal planning routine.